Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Having a pet in your home means taking care of them in any way you can. There's no reason to have them if you're only going to neglect them or abuse them, because they could always be somewhere else in a happier home. Thankfully, for this, the German Shepherd had been left alone in an apartment in Egypt, chained up to a balcony for days and without any food or water. She was so desperate for food that she tried to jump off the balcony to escape. But the chain held her in place, and she ended up hanging over the side with the metal digging into her neck. She hung 3 stories above the ground, afraid for her life. But thanks to the efforts of a good Samaritan, when they heard her cries for help, the neighbor and some rescuers got her back to safety on the balcony, but she wasn't out of the woods yet. She was found to be emaciated and the chain had cut into her neck so deeply that the wound was severe. She was taken to the Egyptian Society for Mercy to Animals shelter, where she was treated for her wounds and condition. A few weeks after her recovery, the shelter paired up with Special Needs Animal Rescue and AMP Rehabilitation to get the dog, now named Bella, flown to the United States so that she could remain in a foster home and